Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a green screen video in Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your existing design in Canva's web editor. This could be any project where you want to overlay your green screen footage, like a presentation, social media video, or custom graphic design. Having your background ready beforehand makes the process much smoother. Once you're in your design, click on Uploads in the left sidebar. This is where you'll access all your personal media files that you've added to Canva. From here, click Upload Files to browse your computer for the green screen video you want to use. Select your green screen video file from your computer and confirm your selection. Now you'll need to wait for the video to finish uploading. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this might take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes, so be patient while Canva processes your footage. After the upload completes, you'll see your video appear in the Upload section. Click the uploaded video thumbnail to add it directly to your design canvas. This places the video as a new layer in your project, and you'll immediately see it appear on your workspace. Now comes the magic part. Select the green screen video on the canvas by clicking on it once. With the video selected, look at the top toolbar and click BG Remover. This is Canva's background removal tool, and it works incredibly well for green screen footage. After clicking, you'll need to wait for Canva to process the video and remove the green background. This processing time varies based on video length, but it typically takes just a few moments. The AI analyzes each frame and removes the green pixels, leaving only your subject. Sometimes Canva's AI can be a bit too aggressive and might accidentally remove parts of your subject along with the green screen. If that happens, click the BG Remover button again. This allows you to manually restore parts of the subject that Canva removed, giving you more control over the final result. With the background removed, drag the green screen video to position it over your existing background. You can place it exactly where you want the subject to appear in your composition. To adjust the size, drag the corner handles to resize the video without changing its proportions. This maintains the original aspect ratio and prevents any unwanted stretching or distortion. Before finalizing everything, click play below the canvas to preview the result. This lets you see how your green screen video looks over your background in real time, and you can make any necessary adjustments to positioning or sizing if something doesn't look quite right. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click Share in the upper right corner, then click Download from the menu that appears in the File Type menu. Select MP4 Video to ensure your project exports as a video file rather than a static image. Finally, click Download to export the finished green screen video to your computer. And that's it. You've successfully created a green screen video in Canva, combining your footage with a custom background. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.